Hello, welcome to Creative Notes Premium. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can install Photoshop brushes into Photoshop. So firstly, you want to select a brush from the Creative Notes Premium library. Scroll to the bottom of the post and hit the download button. This will bring up a folder with the downloaded asset. So once you've got the zip file, simply right click and select Extract All, or it might be a little bit different if you're using the Mac. Whether that's extract, and then you want to click on the folder, and then you'll notice that it's bringing up a preview image, PSD file, and also a brush file. So what we want to do from there, we want to open up Photoshop, and then we've just created like a blank canvas, and then we want to drag the same window into play. And all we're going to simply do is select the brush tool. So we can press B to select that, and that's the shortcut to bring it up. And all we're simply going to do is just drag that into the brush tool, the ABR file. And if you go into the drop down, scroll right to the bottom, you'll notice a new brush has been added, which is the Rising Smoke Photoshop brush set. So that's how you load Photoshop brushes into Photoshop. Alternatively, another way you can do it, you can select the cog icon and then select import brushes, and then just look for that folder location where the brush is stored. So there's two methods for installing Photoshop brushes. Hope that's a useful tutorial, and thanks for watching.